Okay, quick demo time. Here is the idea. This display doesn't have touch, it's salvaged from an old laptop and no touch functionality, and it is also a glare display and it has a very bad viewing angle, as you can see here. And since this is already on an angle on my desk, and when I start to slouch in my chair, I sort of can't see it good enough anymore. So I spent the money and I bought a new display. This one has a touch overlay. It's a dedicated mouse pointer, and yes, it's very glary at the moment. Reason one is there is still a security foil on it, but it is very glary too, and I'll get an anti-glare foil for this one too, just as I got for this one. And this one has a much better viewing angle. As you can see, I can even look straight from above and still see the details. This is the PCB for it. It just needs USB-C for power and USB-C for the display signal, and it has an internal USB hub. This is where the touch is connected, so you get another pointer on the computer. This is pretty straightforward. No special drivers needed. So I replaced this one, and the plan is to also redo some of the wiring from a button box, because I got new buttons I want to add. There are still some free places, can't have enough buttons. So there is also a rewiring project going on for the internals.